Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute unicorn mermaid. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a unicorn mermaid. Here's its ears. Now I'm drawing its head. Now I'm drawing its horn. Let's draw its hairs. Now I'm drawing its legs. As it's mermaid, so I'm drawing its tail. Here's some bubbles. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. In its tail, I'm using my cyan pencil. In its hair, I'm using my pink pen. I'm using a deep pink color. I'm using a purple pen. I'm using a deep purple pen. In its horn, I'm using my orange pen. I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using a light brown color. In its leg, I'm using my pale orange colored pencil. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.